What's going on? Today I'm going to be doing the 22mm progress reverse sway bar swap. I have it right here. It's 22mm with all the hardware and stuff. Already have the car set up. So basically, it should be straightforward. Like these two bolts on this side and the other side, and then the two sway bar end links, and it should come out. Yeah, hopefully it goes smooth. Okay, so I got the old sway bar out. It was fairly simple. It was just two sway bar end links, and then where the actual like mounts and bushings like go to, those four things you have to disconnect because it's two on each side. But yeah, I didn't realize like this. You have to like lower the exhaust or just take off the rear end of the exhaust. But what I did was I just disconnected the hangers. Let me show you. What I did, I just disconnect the hangers, like these ones here. There's more. I think there's another one like right behind the bumper. There's two hangers on each side for there. What I did was disconnect like the hangers on each side here, and what I did was just pry it down with a. Where's my pry bar? My pry bar over there. I pried it down, and I managed to slip it out like that. So I don't know how. Probably gonna do the same thing with this, but the thing is, I might scratch it up doing that same method. If you don't want to scratch it up like at all, then you have to like actually disconnect the exhaust, because mine has a muffler delete, right? So yeah, I can't really. I think they welded on the end piece, so I couldn't even like actually disconnect it. But yeah. Yeah, I just want to compare the two sway bars. You can see like this one's, I measured it. This one's 17mm, and that one's 22mm. You can see like the girthness, you know. Yeah, this one's way lighter than this one. This is, pretty sure this is like, it's solid and like it's not hollow, so it's like way heavier. Not way heavier, but like, it's heavier, but it'll make it'll be like really stiff. I'm just imagining how stiff it'll be. But just one more thing to confirm. Like, I know some people might be unsure of like, oh, they might not have to drill, but I'll just confirm this for you. This is like the bolt that comes with the sway bar. Yeah, it doesn't fit at all, you can see. So you have to drill. You absolutely have to drill the holes there. So I think it's like 13. Let me see the manual. It says you have to drill a 30 seconds of an inch drill bit. So I'm pretty sure I have that, but yeah. Okay, so I just finished drilling the holes for the sway bar, like the mounting points. I had to use a 3/8, which is not the right size. It's supposed to be 30 seconds. This is technically a 30 seconds. But what I did is when I made the hole bigger, and then when I went inside the hole, I just like, you know, just swiggled around, and it made the like hole bigger. So like that's, because I'm not gonna go buy 30 seconds, whatever it's called. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy that just for this thing. So I just like, you know, twirled it around to make the hole bigger, and now you can see this fits in the hole. Yeah, fits in the hole. So almost there. Also, one more pro tip is, I suggest if you're going to be doing this, just paint the holes like where you've drilled, because now it's bare metal. It's going to rust if you leave it alone. So even like, yeah, it's just going to rust. So just get some like spray paint and then just paint it up. Okay, I'm going to let you guys know that, oh my god, putting this sway bar, the new sway bar back in, if you don't take that exhaust out or like lower it like a lot, it's a fucking bitch, man. I freaking bashed my finger when I was doing it. So like the main difficulty is when you put it in, these arms here, this is facing basically the opposite way, and just trying to get it to rotate all the way around so it can reach the end link was the hardest part, because like the exhaust is in the way the whole time. Like there's so much tension on it, even though I took these off. I guess if I should have took those other ones off, but it would be too much work for that. But I scraped the whole car, the sweeper like kind of scraped the car a little bit and all that stuff. And yeah, I bashed my finger like right between here, yeah, right between the sway bar and my controller. My finger's right in between here, and I bashed it. But yeah, that was like kind of, it really hurt a lot. But the whole sway bar is scratched up now, but it doesn't really matter because under the car. But if you're doing it by yourself, or like if you don't take the exhaust off, just know like it's gonna be a bitch. Yeah, it's just okay. Yeah, so basically finished everything. Sway bars in. Yeah, I just sandwiched it like that. Basically, yeah, for all the scratches I made, I just sprayed some oil in here. Yeah, I just sprayed some oil because just I don't know if like I scratched to the point of bare metal. I think I did in some spots, but it's just like I didn't want to like paint it like or spray paint it black to get other parts of the car, or I don't know. Just I'd rather just spray oil on it because just keep the color. It's gonna get dirty anyways. The sway bar, you're not gonna even see it. Like you see my red camera kit. It's been like that for like, it's been like, it was clean before and it's like really dirty now. It doesn't matter. Pull the stuff under the car, the coilovers too. It doesn't matter, man. But yeah, now I just have to button everything up.